Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Andre Brooks here with your tropical update for your Tuesday. And we have a storm that is continuing to get itself together in the Gulf of Mexico, and that is Tropical Storm Francine. Tropical Francine currently has winds of 65 miles per hour with a pressure of 988, so it has been organizing a little bit better overnight. And as you can see on the satellite imagery right here, it is a little bit more compact than it was yesterday. When I was talking with you yesterday, it was big in size, but it has since shrunk just a little bit, and this is going to continue to get itself better organized and strengthen some throughout the day today and into our Wednesday. And this is where we could see this storm become our fourth hurricane of the 2024 hurricane season. Now, looking at the track for this storm, it looks like the track has shifted a little bit towards the east, and this is going to be favoring more of a southern Louisiana, southeastern Louisiana landfall. And there are currently hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings in effect for the coast of Louisiana, and this includes Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas, and also the coast of Mississippi is under those tropical storm warnings, and the extreme eastern portion of Texas. And we do have tropical storm watches in effect for the coastal counties of Alabama, and this includes Mobile, and we also have some tropical storm watches in effect for the rest of the coast of Texas. And there's also some storm surge watches and warnings in effect as well, and this is where we could see storm surge between 6 to 10 feet with locally higher heights. So we're going to be watching this very, very closely, folks. And on top of that, this is going to be a big rainfall maker as well. We are thinking around 1 to 2 inches here in the yellow shaded region, but once we get further into Louisiana, that is where the amount of rainfall increases to 4 inches plus, with locally higher totals in some pockets. So we're going to be watching that for certain. So make sure you have that flood insurance, because flood insurance typically isn't covered by homeowners insurance. Now, also, we do have the severe risk that's going to be starting for the southern portion of Louisiana, mainly the coastal portions of the state, the southeastern coastal portions of the state, where isolated tornadoes are possible starting later on this evening and into the overnight hours. And once we get into our Wednesday, that is where the severe weather risk increases for southeastern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and into southern Alabama as well. And it points itself towards the north a little bit, where the threat starts to lessen some. And this is where those tornado conditions seem to be likely throughout the day on Wednesday, and we're going to be watching that very closely too, and we continue to keep you posted on this storm.